way that bid is more quotation based. At times, RFI is not really a document, at least in today's world. You can just go to their website. You can just use the contact us mechanism. You can just go to their LinkedIn page or maybe Facebook page, Instagram. Uh, so RFI is you need some information for from that prospective seller. Until that time a seller is not selected, they will be considered as a prospective seller because they are not a seller. Seller is a stakeholder in a project. So they would be prospective seller till the time they are in the bidding process. Is there anyone in the class who is not aware of the tender terminology?
Tender is issued by the procurement department as an invitation to bid, basically asking the vendors or sellers to submit the bids. And that's also at the start where you are, I suppose, kind of at the stage of RFI. Or maybe not, maybe after, like at when you're asking for RS or before RFQ, that when you are asking for quotation before at that stage you actually invite issue a tender to the shortlisted vendors to submit you the quote, basically.
Yes, actually tender is a published invitation for proposals or bids. Right? It can be published, that's correct, it can be published by the buyer's procurement department or the buyer's organization to the newspaper, to their company website, to any other professional website. Like it's a published invitation. So anybody who is interested to bid in that tender after understanding what is needed as per the tender's specification, they can bid. So in that case, it's not like RFI followed by RFQ followed by RFP, right? So tender actually replaces this RFP or IFP in the process. If it is tender, it's like not a selected group of sellers who are going to get this. It's like anybody who is interested, right? And tenders are like very commonly placed over email as well, right? At times, like people send the invitation or the tendering specifications to the groups, email groups, professional email groups, where everybody's invited. Whoever thinks that he or they qualifies for this tender specification, they can bid.